So why don't I like the standard method of solving the Skewb Extreme? Let me show you. Okay, so we have a scramble here, and we're gonna start solving. Now, have no reason to orient the centers at this point. Get white solved there. Get the 4 yellow corners on top. Get that yellow piece up in the middle there. And then we have all the centers solved. Now you have to look out and see which centers are correct. These two are correct. Then you have to do the sledgehammer 6 times. And it's solved. It's a lot of moves, and that one I even was able to skip a couple steps. So let me demonstrate again. Okay, we start solving white. Got the white solved. Get the yellow corners up there. Get this solved one in the front, opposite color here. Do this. Got, okay, and now we have this 3, 4 centers solved, and these two are wrong, in which case we have to do the sledgehammer 6 times, like so. And now we should have 2 solved sides, this one and this one. We have to do the sledgehammer 6 more times. And it's solved. It's just a lot of moves. That's the main reason I don't like the standard method of solving the Skewb Extreme. The way I teach is predictable. Once you get to the end where you have to orient all the centers with the standard method, then you just don't know what to expect. My way may not be the greatest for everything, but like I said, I find it predictable. Yeah, the moment you get this looks solved, these 3 centers are correct, but you have to look all over to find the 2 centers that are not correct and do the move. It's just a lot of moving. And then you have to double check these 2 are the ones. And that's why I don't like it. It's just so much going on. But I will show you, I will walk you through it just real quick. If you didn't see what I was doing, I will show you how it solves this way. So that if you do want to solve the Skewb Extreme the standard way, then you can. So at this point, we just get all the whites on the top and about the right position. So we don't have to worry about the white center orienting correctly, though it is coming up correctly right now. Get the white done, then I get all the yellows on the top, and the yellow piece went in place this time, but I'm going to show you if it didn't. Just to get all the yellows on the top, just put your 2 yellows to the side here and do the sledgehammer once, and you have all the yellow corners on the top. And then I insert the yellow middle up there. Just do the sledgehammer 3 times, and it's in place. And now we're looking for a solved middle in here, which there is not, so we do the sledgehammer, rotate the cube 180 degrees, and do the sledgehammer again. Now we have one solved side. We put that on the bottom, and we look for a middle that's on its opposite color. Green is opposite blue, so we put that in front of us. And do that same thing again. Sledgehammer, rotate 180 degrees, and the sledgehammer again. And all the middles are in the correct place. At this point, there's a few different things you could do. I'm going to link a video that shows every possibility here. I found it really helpful, so I'm going to just share it with you there. And for this one, this is the most common for what I see. We have 2 centers correct that are next to each other. You put those in the back. No, actually, we have 4 centers that are correct. So it's not as easy. We put the unsolved one on the top and the unsolved one on the bottom. Do the sledgehammer 6 times. There we are. And then we have 1 correct and 2 correct. We put one on the back and one on the bottom and do the sledgehammer 6 more times. And that's that. So if you like that way, you can do it, but I do not find it very good, personally. But that's the standard way of solving the Skewb Extreme. Well, thanks for watching.